It is time. It's time for the lightning round quiz. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Daddy, time for the lightning round quiz. Let's go with Tom in New York. Tom.
Jim, first-time caller. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course.
I have had a position in insurance broker A.J. Gallagher since December 2008. It's up about 15 times, so it's been a good buy, about double the S&P. But it seems to be sort of unknown. I very rarely hear it mentioned in the media. My question simply is, do you think Gallagher is still worth holding?
Oh, my God, yes. That is just a solid company. We used to call it in the old days, we used to call it a blue chip. Great company. Should have been doing stuff on it. You know, sometimes stocks are just kind of just quietly going up, and that's one of them. Let's go to Isaac in Nevada. Isaac.
Booyah, Jim. This is Isaac in Nevada. How are you? Me and my wife are big
I am doing well. All right. What's going on?
I was wanting to know what you think about new stock.
Okay. All right, so I've got to tell you, I came out hot on this one. I really liked it. I've been wrong. I don't know why. I thought it was just a really cool idea. I mean, it's, you know, I think maybe it's like digital banking. I thought it was the way to go. So far, I'm wrong. I'm not going to repeat my bullishness on it. Be a mistake. Let's go to Sean in Virginia. Sean.
James, chillax, my man. You are a gentleman and a scholar, and I thank you for your knowledge.
Whoa, thank you.
And a huge shout out to your team for keeping the wild man on.
Team's fabulous. I'm going to keep him. I'm going to keep him. I like the team.
But a long time proud member of the club. But I do have a question because I'm in the house.
See you tomorrow at 12. Okay. All right.
Just like the rest of us. And it's everybody's got it. Everybody wants to get rid of it. It's trash. And king of the trash is WM, Waste Management. But,
oh, my. You know, I sold that for the Travel Trust after making a huge gain, and I left 100 points on the table. That company is fantastic. They got some golf thing I'm trying to get to, too. People tell me it's fantastic. All right. Hey, why don't we go to Patrick in Florida, please, Patrick?
Hey, Jim.
Yo.
At the start of 2024, I decided it was time to cancel all of these subscriptions that I had signed up for over the years. But there was one subscription that I found to be particularly sticky, and I was unable to cancel due to the usefulness of the product. Whether I'm home or on the go, this is the software that I'm using daily to tune into your show. Jim, what are your thoughts on ticker FUBO?
You flattered me with that tuning into my show, but I don't like stocks of companies that just do nothing but seem to lose money, and that is in that category, so I have to say ixnay. Let's go to Jim in Illinois. Jim.
Hello, Dr. Cramer. It's an honor.
Same.
I was wondering if you could please share your thoughts about the 38.5 tender offer and also the longer-term prospects for Bernstein AD.
Yeah, I never understood why Bernstein is so low. It's absolutely, you know, it was weird. I mean, it's just a great company. All systems go there. Okay, let's go to Larry in Texas. Larry. Larry?
Yes.
You're up, Larry. You're talking to Jim.
Jim, me and my wife, big fans, man. I want to give a shout out to her real quick. I have bought a stock, Q2 of 2023. It has not done well for the last 2 years. This is Oxy.
Oxy's not a great company. I know like Warren Buffett owns it, and that's just great, but it doesn't matter. It's got a lot of debt, and it's just not that great. And, you know, the fact that he owns it doesn't make it great. And I'm sorry I don't mean to be like a naysayer, but geez, get a better oil. Okay, let's go to Nate in California. Nate.
Yeah, Jim. So help me understand what's going on with Western Digital and why it still won't move after the spinoff of SanDisk. I mean,
I got to understand that because the stock is down. It was such a great thing. I got to do some work on this thing because it didn't make any sense. It's going in the wrong direction. Let me do some work and come back because it seems like they created a lot of value and no one else believed it. I want to go to Darius in New Jersey. Darius.
Hey, Jim, how are you, man?
I'm all right. How about you?
It's a lovely day. I'm happy to be on here. Hey, Jim, I got a question for you. So I'm looking at this stock. I've been looking at it for a little while. It's been getting beat up. It's a United States stock. I've been seeing a lot of politicians have been buying it, and they just announced a $10 billion buyback.
All right. right.
Solid income or earnings per share in Q1. Applied Materials, AMAT.
All right, Applied Materials is number 3 after I like Lam Research, and then I like KLA, and then I like Applied Materials. They have a lot of China exposure that makes people very, very worried. I think Tim Archer from Lam is a better one if you want to be in capital equipment, but I've got to tell you, capital equipment is so tied up with China that I can't just get behind it anymore, even though I love these companies. We got to straighten things out with China. We just have to. Let's go to Savita. Oh, no, we're done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, is Tesla gearing up for a turnaround? Cramer is taking a look at the charts and seeing if now is the time to invest in the EV maker or if the stock is on the chopping block. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.